Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Webull account. To delete your Webull account, first of all, launch open the Webull application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Before deleting your Webull account, make sure to close all the positions, withdraw all the funds, and remove any pending deposits. After you have done that, go ahead and tap on Menu at the bottom right corner from the home page. Inside the Menu section, tap on Settings. Under Settings, click on Account and Security from the top. From the Account and Security page, scroll all the way down and look for Delete Account button and tap on it. To continue deleting your account, click the Continue button at the bottom and then click on the little box in the square over here to authorize the deletion and click OK. You'll need to enter your password for security purpose in order to delete your account. Go ahead and write down your correct password in the login password text box and click on Done. Soon after you do that, your account will be deleted and you'll be redirected to the login page. So there you have it. Remember that you cannot delete your account if you have funds, open trades, unsettled cash, or active subscriptions in your Webull account. Crypto and IRAs must be closed manually before deleting the main account, and once your account is deleted, it cannot be undone. So there you have it. That is how you can easily get your Webull account closed or deleted in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.